Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to UptimeRobot for SEO uptime monitoring step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be presented with options to sign up using your email or through social media accounts. Choose your preferred method and fill in the required information. If signing up with email, enter a valid email address and create a password. After filling out the information, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Next, check your email for a verification link sent by UptimeRobot. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the UptimeRobot website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Here, you will see options to set up your monitoring services. To begin monitoring, click on the Add New Monitor button. You will need to select the type of monitor you want to set up. For SEO uptime monitoring, choose HTTPs from the provided options. Enter the URL of your website in the designated field. Set the monitoring interval according to your preference. You can select from options like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or more. Next, customize your notification settings to receive alerts when downtime occurs. Choose how you wish to be notified, such as through email, SMS, or integrations. Once you have configured your settings, click on the Create Monitor button. Your new monitor will now be active and tracking your website's uptime. You can view the status of your monitors on your dashboard at any time. If you need to add more monitors, simply repeat the process. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and any downtime alerts. This setup will help you maintain your website's performance for SEO purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.